Hello friends, welcome to Support Grow. In this video, I'm going to discuss about how you can trade on Binomo by using time frame, and I'm going to show you how you can trade by using 3 minutes time frame and book profit. So here you can see friends, this is time frame where we can select time frame. This is first 1 minute time frame, this is second 2 minute time frame, and this one is third minute yani means 3 minutes time frame. So we need to select third ones, so select this, and this is 3 minutes time frame. So here you can see predict the games, like when you click then this graph will run for 3 minutes. Okay, and if three within 3 minutes, if your predictions goes correct, becomes correct, then you will win the games, and if becomes like wrongs, or then you will lose the games. So let's see, I'm going to predict some of the games like within 3 so let's select another time frame, 3 minutes, and I'm going to predict like up from this point. Okay, within 3 minutes, if this graph will go up from this point, then I will win the game, and if this graph will go down within 3 minutes from this point, then I'll lose the games. So let's bid one more again. Oh, it's going down, so we don't have any chance, so let's wait. Here you can see this is like volatile neutral. Here you can apply for one more buying here, and same time will be applied here because we have selected like it becomes 3 minutes. So same we are applying here. So let's see what happened within 3 minutes. Here you can see this is predictions like, oh, but here graph is here, and I think and our expiration point is here. If this graph comes here and it will remains down from this point, then we will lose this bid. But if from this point if it's up, then we will win this like bid. So let's wait from till this point. We always try to play on like 3 4 5 minutes time frame, because 1 minute 5 time frame is very risky. So always try to do like trading on 3 4 5 minutes time frame. This will help you a lot. So let's wait. We have only 42 seconds. Here you can see from both points graph is up, but let's see from this point, still graphs remains up or down. We have 24, 23 seconds, 22, 21. Let's see what happened. It's too, I think it will be go down because there are lots. Oh, we have only, oh, go up, then we will win the game. Yes, we have won both the trades, and here 256 rupees is credited in my accounts. Wow, that's great. So friends, this way you can trade on 3 minutes strategy and book profit. So thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it, and don't forget to click on the bell icons to get the notification. Thanks for watching again.